Hi, second grade. All right, we are going to do worksheet number 93. This is a very fun one. Okay, so this is A before L. So I'm going to give you an example of this before we get started. This is like the word wall, right? So it's A before L. A comes before these L's, right? So this is interesting because if you look at this word wall, does it sound like a? Like, you know how cat is? And you could like that, cat. It doesn't sound like that. Does it sound like acorn? Maybe like that, separated. No, it doesn't sound like that either. So this A is very interesting. You're going to code it 2 dots, and it sounds like aw, kind of like you're saying something like aw, like a baby, aw. That's it, all. Okay, so this is a new way to code the letter A. We've got short, we've got long, and now we have these 2 dots, and you hear it kind of often, aw. Okay, all right, let's just kind of skip to the ones that follow this. So let's go to number 2, call. Say call. Okay, so let's code the K, or the C is the K back, and this is a aw sound. So we put a little 2 dots over it. It's kind of cute, isn't it? The dots. So maybe that's how you can remember it's aw. Aw, it's so cute. Call. Call. Okay. Let's go to number 6. Halt. All. So this one again is aw. Halt. Okay. All right. And let's go to this one, number 3. This one is very interesting. So this is A before L. Sal. This one is very interesting because does it sound like solid? Not really. This is an exception to the rule. It is this sound. So if you're not sure of how to say these words, ask mom and dad, and you just have to look at that sound. So this is salad, right? So this is short salad, ed. Okay, salad. Okay. And let's see if we can code these right here. So let's go vowel, consonant, that's a vowel. We're going to stop right there. Salad, salad, not salad. So it's going to be vowel consonant that we separate. That's last lesson. And it's emphasized. Salad. Okay. All right, let's move up to number 1. Easy. All right, so we have EA, it's long E, cross out the A. Ease. What's that right there? When that S sounds like a Z. Ease. Sounds like a Z. So you cross it out. So it's kind of like, looks like a Z almost. Easy. Easy. And that is an E sound. So you need to put a dot. Okay, now this number 1 is very interesting because we're still not done. Yikes, right? Easy. Clap and say that word. Oops, I moved it. Ready? Easy. So we're not done, are we? So let's see. How are we going to separate this one? Let's see. If I go, let's see. Vowel, consonant, vowel, easy, easy. Is it easy or easy? It is easy. So we're going to separate it right there. And that is emphasized. Now you might look at that and go, really? Now this Y is its own syllable. Now don't forget, a syllable, all it needs is a vowel. And is Y a vowel? Yes, it is. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, right? So this one is not easy, right? But it's the word easy is that many things that you need to code. All right, let's move down to number 4, cane. This one's a lot more simple. So we have a K sound, K back. A is long, and then we have no E sound, so cane. That's it. Okay, number 5, feeble. We have EE, it's a digraph, long, cross it out. And then BLE, that is a final stable syllable. So simply just bracket it in, and you can cross out that E. Okay, now I'm just going to warn you, number 1 and 3 are very intense. So make sure you take a good look at those. Make sure you get all those code marks in there. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and match up the pictures. This is a cane. It's gonna go right there. This is a nice healthy salad. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and read. All right. All right. It says football is played in the fall and baseball is played in the spring. Number 7, do you like to play ball? If so, what kind of ball do you like to play? Oh, okay, so this is just an opinion. So, do I like to play ball? I don't really play football. I don't really play baseball, but my husband loves baseball. So I'm gonna say I don't really like to play ball. I don't really do that. So I'm gonna say no. You probably are gonna say yes. You probably like those maybe. So I'm gonna say no, comma. You probably are gonna say yes, comma. Okay, so what kind of ball do you like to play? No, but I'm gonna say but I enjoy watching baseball. We watch a lot of baseball. Okay, and if you know the A and the L rule, that's why they have that, because that's an aw sound. Baseball, all. Okay, all right, so you can have your own answer. All right, next one. Ooh, this is from science. Leaves have a yearly life cycle. The leaves drop in the fall and come back in the spring. Number 8, do trees have leaves in the summer? I like this question a lot because this word summer, is summer even in here? That word summer is not even in this reading. So you have to do something called, reading between the lines, right? So you got to kind of know what this is saying and go, okay, well, it doesn't even have that word summer in it, but I should know a little bit more about the seasons, right? Leaves have a yearly life cycle. The leaves drop in the fall and come back in the spring. So they didn't say summer, but do you know what happens to the leaves in the summer? They're there, right? So do trees have leaves in the summer? Of course, yes. So that's what's fun about reading. It's, if they ask you questions, you got to read between the lines sometimes. All right, number 9, leaves grow in the spring, yes or no? Okay, now I like this one too. Here's the word spring. Do you see this in here? There's the word spring. Leaves grow. Leaves drop in the fall and come back. Come back. Is come back and grow the same thing for leaves? Yes. So that means come back and grow. That's the same type of thing. So yes. Very good. All right, let's go ahead and turn this over. You can write your name on the back. That will be your homework. Good job.